These are rhythms. They tell us how long or short to play the notes. A semi-breve is 4 beats, a minim is 2 beats, a crotchet is 1 beat, a quaver is half a beat, and a semi-quaver is a quarter of a beat. Notice that the notes get shorter, more elements are added to the symbol. A minim adds a stem, a crotchet fills in the note head, a quaver adds a flag, and a semi-quaver adds 2 flags. You'll also see semi-quavers and quavers joined up like this. This is a drum score. It's very similar to a piano score, but the note heads on the lines or in the spaces represent a different part of the drum kit. This graphic shows us how this looks on a drum kit. In drum notation, the drums are represented by solid round notes, and the cymbals are represented by X's. The lower down the part of the drum kit is, the lower it is on the drum notation. The kick at the bottom, the snare in the middle, the toms positioned roughly where they are on the kit, the hi-hat just above the stave, and a circle's added to the hi-hat if it needs to be open, a ride at the top of the stave, and the crash is the highest on a ledger line. Again, see how this works using the graphic. When reading drum notation, we usually count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we play the parts of the kit which are on those beats. Beat 1, in this instance, has a kick and a hi-hat. The and beat is just a hi-hat. Beat 2 has a snare and a hi-hat, and so on. So eventually it should sound like this.